Chi Yogic, and today I'm going to teach you how to do Sun Salutations, Variation A. No matter what yoga class you go to, no matter the type of yoga, you will always have Sun Salutation as your beginning type of warm-up sequence. And so this tutorial is aimed to help you to be able to do Sun Salutations at home on your own and also flow more easily with your practice at your local yoga studio. So let's hop to it. So for Variation A, you're going to start at the top of your mat, bring your feet together, big toes to touch, then spread your toes as much as possible, gripping the mat, giving yourself yoga toes. Your feet are the foundation for standing poses, so ensure that your feet are grounded into the mat. And then bring your hands to heart center, and just begin to center yourself a little bit before you begin to flow. The Sun Salutation is a cardio building exercise, so just prepare yourself physically and mentally by centering the breath. On the inhale, rise up your hands over top and unshrug your shoulders. Externally rotate your arms so that your pinkies are facing forward. Go ahead and neutralize the tilt in your pelvis. Broaden your shoulders, lift up your heart, and this is your first part of your Sun Salutations. On the exhale, hinge from the hips into a forward fold, putting both of your hands beside you, letting your head drop down. Inhale again, halfway lift, flattening your spine, broadening your shoulders still, lifting your heart as you look forward slightly. Exhale, step back into plank, lower down into chaturanga, up dog, inhale, exhale, down dog. Inhale, lift your heels, exhale, bend your knees, look forward, come to the top of your mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale, arms by your side. We're going to flow through this a couple of more times. I'm going to cue the breath. Let's begin. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back into plank, through to chaturanga, up dog, inhale, exhale, down dog, step forward to the top of your mat. Inhale, halfway lift, exhale, full forward, inhale, rise all the way up, exhale, arms down by your side. One more time, inhale, arms up, exhale, fold forward, inhale, halfway lift, exhale, step back into plank through to chaturanga. Inhale, up dog, exhale, down dog. And begin to just walk to the top of your mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale, arms down by your side. So that was your classical Sun Salutations, Variation A. Even if you don't have a lot of time in the morning, if you practice this every morning, you will see your endurance improve, your upper body strength, and your flexibility. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on the mat.